What's up, everyone? This is the aerodynamics of a turnip. So we have a turnip here, and we have the vorticity plotted, and it's going to go up through the turnip from bottom to top, and the flow is going from left to right. So the vorticity tells you pretty much how much the flow is rotating around. And as we go up, we have a little bit of vorticity coming off of the actual turnip, but as soon as we hit the leaves, we get a lot of vorticity. So you can see there's a real party going on here. See, like all this vorticity coming off these 4 different leaves, and they impact each other. So that's pretty cool. And these are streamlines going from left to right, showing the U magnitude, so the velocity. And around the turnip itself, it's kind of normal, like you have some flow going around and then it sucks back up. But the leaves is where the action really happens. So we rotate around, and just here you get a really cool appreciation of just what's going on. So you have some streamlines coming out of these right 2 leaves, and they kind of twirl about. Last video, then you have some streamlines coming through these 2 leaves here, and that was rotating about as well. So you can see they come up and then come down. And the flow going over the turnip really sucks back in quite well. But it might be something to do with the rest of the weight coming off of the leaves that's impacting the flow going around the turnip itself. All right, so make sure to like and subscribe this. Check out everything we do here for Aerodynamics. Check out the instrumentation we do. Check out the courses we put on to make you a better analysis. Check out the conference we put on every year. Peace out.